Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pranjal Bharadwaj and for today's video guys, I've been dying to shoot this video from so long because obviously you can read by the title. So this video is going to be all the stuff that my brother got me from the US. So right now he has come for his winter break and he has gotten me so much stuff. Like literally so much stuff that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So let's begin. So I'll be dividing everything in specific categories. So first category is going to be clothes, and I am so grateful for my brother because all of this is so pretty, so amazing, and yes, let's dive right into it. So all of this is the clothes. All of my clothes are from H&M. So I'll be showing you guys the clothes and then how it looks on me on this side. So let's begin. Starting with the best one, you guys. He literally got me a leather freaking jacket. That is so insane, and I've been dying to get a leather jacket from so long. Let me show you guys. This is how it is and this is how it looks on me. This is so pretty, you guys. It's literally giving biker GF aesthetic. So these are the tops. This is like a knit sweater thingy going on, and this is too pretty, like so pretty. Next we have a very pretty thing, the flare legging thingy, and this is too pretty, you guys. Like it has the flare beneath. Next I really wanted to get a cherry red scarf. I could get it in India, but I just told my brother and he said, if I'm here then you don't have to worry, and this is it. It's so pretty. Like तुम लोग को ये shawl लग रहा होगा or anything like that, but this is so pretty and I can style it in so many ways. Cherry red scarf looks so pretty on black. Next we have are these joggers, or you can say track pants, and these are of velvet and so pretty material, you guys. Accidentally my brother bought me a top which is of same color, and now this track pants and this top together looks like that it is a set. This is a really pretty top, you guys can see it here, and these both together look so gorgeous. I really wanted to have a beige hoodie from so long, and this is so pretty. Like it's oversized but cute. Next is the other track pant but in different color. This is in dark blue color, and if you guys know, if you know, you know, I love blue. I love blue on my nails. I love blue clothes, and yeah, royal blue is one of my favorite colors, and this is so pretty. Okay, so next we have is a black worn out jeans, because who doesn't love a baggy jeans, and this is so pretty. Like you guys know how much this grey color is going on in jeans right now. Why do I look like that I'm selling some clothes? But yeah, that's not that. I have this pretty, you guys know that snatched tees. This is not a baby tee, it is long in length, but it is very snatched. Like look at my waist in this t-shirt, it looks so pretty. Next I have a very cute t-shirt he got me which says LA 1986, and it has a beadwork on it. So we are officially done with all the clothes. Now let's move on to the miscellaneous stuff that he has gotten me. And trust me you guys, you all are not ready for what he has gotten me, because I was shook when I had seen it in a first glance. It is too pretty, and let's go. Okay you guys, so next we have is all the miscellaneous stuff that I told you guys. And my brother got me this very cute tote bag which is from Trader Joe's, and this is so pretty. Let's start. And first, are you guys ready? Because I was shook when I saw this. It's literally a Stanley. I wanted it from so long, and it is so pretty. It is literally baby pink and white, and can you look at it? It's gorgeous. It's literally my baby. I'll literally start drinking water from now on because this is too pretty. We have a cap which is so cute, and it says Yapper. Can you all see this? I think I'll wear this throughout the video because this is too cute, and I'm obviously yapping right now. I love Gilmore Girls. Fun fact about me, I love watching series. I love watching Netflix series, and this is a journal, but this is not a normal journal. It's literally from Gilmore Girls, you guys. Only the people who have watched Gilmore Girls can relate to me now. That I'm too happy. Can you all see this? Can you all see this? Dragonfly in Luke's and stars all over. I'm so happy, you guys. Talking about journal and diaries, I have this journal which says living my best life, and it is plain from inside, but I'm so excited to start journaling in this from 2026. Next we have a very cute cup, and this is also pink. I think my brother had a theme in his mind, and this is so pretty, you guys. It has a bow on it. Can you all see this? Can you all see this? So this was it for all the miscellaneous stuff. And now let's move on to makeup and skincare. So my brother got me everything from Ulta Beauty and also from Sephora and all of that stuff. I'll show you guys the brand and everything. So let's start. First is this e.l.f. makeup brush set. This is so expensive, but I think this is worth it because it has each and every brush. This is so pretty. It also has a sponge with it. So pretty. Next we have is a sun care set from Trader Joe's, and it has a shimmer oil sunscreen, shimmer glow stick sunscreen, and a after sun body serum. So this is like a sunscreen kind of set. Next we have is another set from Trader Joe's only, Brazil Nut Body Trio, which has body butter, body mist and body oil, which is so pretty, and it is pink, so that is obviously pretty. Next we have this makeup kit. I wanted to have a big makeup kit because the makeup kit that I have currently, it does not hold my makeup now because it is too small. This has so much space, you guys. This is literally so spacious. So now let's move on to the products that my brother got me. So this is basically Laura Mercier loose setting powder for makeup. Next is this e.l.f. primer. The stuff that my brother has gotten me, he asked me what all was running out, so I had to stock all of these things up. So this is primer, e.l.f. primer. I always wanted this e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. So you can say it foundation, but yeah, this is e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filler. Next we have is a lip and cheek tint from e.l.f. only, and this is so pretty. Next are two lip balms that my brother got. One for my mom and one for me. I'll have the strawberry shortcake and my mom will have the vanilla toffee. The packaging is too cute, you guys. Next is this lip oil from Milani. Next we have is obviously my favorite mascara in this whole entire world, which is Maybelline New York Sky High Mascara. If you want to have a good mascara, you all can literally see my lashes right now. I have literally applied this mascara right now, and it is too pretty. Next we have a butter gloss, basically a lip gloss from NYX. Then we have, this is so pretty, you guys. It is literally pimple patches, and it is pink in color, like it has 4 pink tones, and it is in star shape. Isn't this the cutest thing in the world? Next we have Sephora, and it has one product. This basically contains 2 products, which is one lipstick and one lip liner. And the last thing I have, I think I should have put this in the miscellaneous thing. This is a wallet, and this is so cute. You guys can see it has a teddy on it, and it opens up. It has a space for cards and also money, cash. So this is so cute. This was not gotten to me by my brother. It was gifted by my brother's best friend, and she's too sweet, and I'm so grateful for her. This is so cute. Okay, so we are done with the makeup and everything. So now it has come to the last part of this video, which is the snacks, and you are not ready because it is way too much. So let's move on. So before jumping into the snacks section, I have 2 more stuff that I wanted to show you guys. So first is this. Obviously I would have shown this in the makeup and skincare part only, but this is K-Beauty for beginners. This is basically a Korean kit, and it has a collagen mask. That is so crazy. I'm so grateful for my brother but all of this will come in specific reels or YouTube shorts. And except that, we have an advent calendar. Are you guys kidding me? Do you all see that? And this has total of 12 happy skincare days advent. So I have to open it day wise. So this will come in a separate reel. So stay tuned for that. And now let's move on to the snacks. Literally told you guys are not ready for this, and I have so much to show you, but yes, this video is getting so long. Let's start. So first I'll show you guys all the stuff that my brother got me from the Target store. I would obviously not tell you guys the brand and all the specific flavors of each and every chips, but I'll just show you guys. This is the jalapeno one. This is also the jalapeno one. इन सब की हवा निकल गई है because obviously my brother bought it from the US and India तक आते आते. This is like the Kinder Bueno Kinder Joy chocolate. This is Mr. Beast Feastables milk chocolate. Can you guys literally see that? Yeah, you all see that. If you all have watched the Gilmore Girls, then you would know that they also eat Pop-Tarts. And this is so crazy because you guys don't know the happiness that I have right now. So this is in the frosted strawberry flavor. Next we have is Pocky Pocky and it is in the strawberry flavor. I love these. Next we have is the Dubai Kunafa chocolate from Hershey's and I can't wait to try this. So that was it for Target. Now let's move on to Trader Joe's because we have so much. Can you all see that? These are 2 bags, but yes. So these are the organic Italian pastas but in different shapes. And my brother also got different sauces so that he can cook Italian pasta at home and you know like, so this is basically roasted garlic marinara sauce. Next we have is the bruschetta topping which is also considered as a tomato sauce you can say. Next we have is the Italian seasoning which has aglio olio pasta ke liye seasoning and also the organic basil. So next is basically vanilla essence which is organic and alcohol free and I'm so excited to make my new coffee recipes with this vanilla essence and yeah. Next we have is this caramel sauce and I obviously can put this on pancakes or in my coffee or whatever. One bag down. Let's move on to the another. Again we have more chips you guys because how much chips is too much chips. And we have this pancake mix that my brother got us, so he said that he'll make this for us. Again we have a spicy snack and this is spicy snack bar, so it is basically a mix of so many stuff. Yeah. Last we have is this Indian curry khichdi. क्यों ये लेकर आए हैं? Because he wanted us to try US की खिचड़ी की कैसी Trader Joe's की है, but yes, this is cute. 2 bags down, let's move on to the last one. We have cheese sticks, cheddar cheese sticks. Then we have more chips because how much chips is too much chips you guys. This is like, Bhaiya said this is like Angrezon ke OS, so I'll try and tell you guys how it was. Then we have another pack of cheese sticks. Then we have this crispy garlic. He said that he'll put it in the pasta, that's why he bought it. Another chips ka packet because as I told you guys. And last we have this tortilla chips. And yes, we are done. And that was it for today's video. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm so grateful for everyone who has been the part of this channel from long, and I'm so grateful for you and I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because so many crazy YouTube shorts are on the way. And follow me on my Instagram and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.